I was taught to dodge those issues. I was told, don't worry, there's no doubt, there's always something to cry about. When you're stuck in an angry crowd, they don't think what they say before they open their mouth. You gotta pack up your troubles in your own big bag and bury them beneath the sea. I don't care what the people may say, what the people may say about me. Pack up your troubles, get your own little bag, don't worry about the cavalry. I don't care what the whisperers say, 'cause they whisper too loud for me.
Carril.
Tweet, 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 tweet.